Hello everybody, today we will be doing a quick oil change video on a 2001 KLR Kawasaki 250 Enduro. I picked this up about a month ago and I've really enjoyed it, but let me just do a quick walkthrough for you on how to do this simple oil change. I already did it, but I'll just show you step by step and what size sockets you'll need, and we'll get through this quick. Here's where your oil filter is. You got an 8mm socket. Go ahead, loosen those up. You might have to pry it out, just wiggle this cap off. Mine was stuck on there good, but I mean, it was sitting for a while when I bought this bike. It's going to pull out. In the bottom left corner right now is the kind of oil filter you need. You can go to your local motorcycle power sports shop to get it. It's a KN 123 filter, if I'm not mistaken. In the description below, I will have all the oil filter inspection you need for this bike. It does hold, I think the manual calls for 2.01 quarts. You can actually see it. I don't know if the light's good right now, but it's actually stamped on the side of the bike right there. And right here is where your glass oil is on your bike. Right now you can't see much in there because of the bike's on its kickstand. But generally, on some bikes it's different. You gotta have it sitting straight up and then look through the glass. And you can see I got good amount of oil in there. I had no leaks when I did this oil change, and it's been great so far. But let me show you where your drain plug is on this bike. Got a 17mm socket. Gonna go just below your bike, and it should be, let me see if I got that on camera good. Right there. You see it good? Just get it on there. I go until snug, and I give it a little bit more of a turn. You don't want to strip these. They do have a torque rating. I'll try to find it online and put it in the description below if you want to torque them. But honestly, you can just get them pretty tight and snug. Just don't use your common sense. Don't over tighten them. That's pretty much it. It's a really quick run through. Here's the oil I got at the power sports shop. Kawasaki 10W40 4-stroke engine oil. And the oil filter right there in the corner again. There's the picture of it. Sorry I didn't film it while I was doing it. I just came to my head. I should have did a video, but it's very simple. As you can see, I just pointed out everything you had to do. You can do it yourself. Save some money. Save your time. Don't take it to a shop. You can do it in your driveway and shoot, 15 minutes. Even if you're not mechanically inclined. Alright. Everybody, thanks for watching. Bye for now.